Hello and welcome to the C# Network Sockets course. In this course, we will mainly focus on three main socket types, socket protocols in C#. That would be TCP sockets. We will cover them in basically two different ways, the basic implementation of them, some bit of theory of them, and as well as how to handle sort of multiple clients, do something a bit more dynamic with them. The same thing goes for the UDP socket. Okay, we'll cover the basics and then something a bit more dynamic. And then we'll get the WebSocket. Now the WebSocket, I will show you a simple C# to C# interface. Okay, so that would be C# console and C# backend, and then later I will also show you how it's implemented in Blazor as a web frontend. Basically, as it should be implemented on the web, the WebSocket, and that's why it's called that. So you get to experience both of those things. Now we will get into some additional stuff as well, such as ping in C#, sometimes a useful thing, and many more things. So I do believe you will enjoy it, and I do believe most importantly you will pick up some great networking skills.